In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a paid membership website in Wix. By the end, you'll have a working membership plan your visitors can purchase, complete with pricing, trials, and payments. Start inside the Wix editor. Open the Apps panel by clicking the Add Apps icon on the left. In the search bar, type Wix Pricing. From the results, select the Wix Pricing Plans app and add it to your site. This app is what powers paid memberships and packages. Once it's added, open the app's dashboard and go to Manage Plans. Here's where you'll create and control everything your members get. Click Create Plan. Give your plan a clear, benefit-driven name. Something like Silver Membership works well because it tells people what tier they're choosing. Add a concise description so visitors know exactly what's included. Think in terms of access. Which pages, content, or perks are part of this membership? Next, set your pricing strategy. You can keep it free, charge a one-time fee, or set up recurring payments. Free is great for lead generation or a basic community. One-time payment fits short programs or limited time access. Recurring payments are best for ongoing memberships where you deliver continuous value. Enter your price. If you chose recurring, set the payment frequency. Wix lets you choose weekly, monthly, or yearly. Monthly is the most common for memberships, while yearly can boost upfront revenue and reduce churn. Pick the interval that matches how often you deliver value. You can enable a free trial to reduce friction for new signups. If you turn it on, keep it short, just long enough for members to see the value. Then set the plan duration. For one-time plans, this defines how long access lasts after purchase. For recurring plans, it complements the billing cycle and helps set expectations. Click Save to lock in your plan details. Now let's set up payments so you can actually get paid. Go to Setup Payment Methods, find PayPal, and click Connect. When prompted, enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. This ensures funds go to the right place. Then click Connect to complete the link. If your region supports additional providers, you can add them later, but PayPal alone is enough to start selling. That's it. You've added the Pricing Plans app, created a named membership with a clear description, chosen a pricing model and frequency, optionally enabled a free trial, set the plan duration, saved your work, and connected PayPal. From here, preview your site to confirm the plan looks right, then publish when you're ready to start accepting members.